OnePlus Open, redefining productivity in your pocket. Welcome to Technocastel. Imagine a device that combines cutting-edge technology, sleek design, and powerhouse performance, all in the palm of your hand. Meet the OnePlus Open, a foldable smartphone crafted for tech enthusiasts ready to push boundaries. Productivity just got a serious upgrade. At just 8.6 ounces, the OnePlus Open is the thinnest and lightest foldable smartphone in North America. Built with aerospace-grade materials and a titanium hinge, this device seamlessly blends durability and elegance. Open it, and you're greeted by a near-invisible foldable 7.82-inch interior display that's as sleek as it is functional. The OnePlus Open introduces Open Canvas, a multitasking marvel. From app switching to drag-and-drop functionality, the 16 GB RAM and OxygenOS ensure lightning-fast performance. Paired with an ultra-responsive 120 Hz refresh rate, this phone easily satisfies whether you're gaming, working, or streaming your favorite content. Love taking photos? With a 48MP primary lens, 48MP ultra-wide, and 64MP telephoto system co-developed with Hasselblad, the OnePlus Open delivers stunning photos and videos. Dolby Vision HDR brings every moment to life in vivid detail. Capture, create, and inspire. It's all in your hands. With a 4,805 mAh battery and 67W fast charging, the OnePlus Open keeps you powered through any task. Folded or unfolded, this device is designed for seamless productivity, fitting effortlessly into your work or play. Ready to unlock limitless possibilities? Dive deeper into the OnePlus Open by visiting the product review link in the description. Don't miss this chance to revolutionize the way you work, create, and play. Subscribe to Technocastel for more exciting tech insights, and let's shape a smarter future together.